a video on getting to know someone. Ukwazana nomntu. Ukwazana nomntu. The greeting. Ukubulisa. Ukubulisa. Hello to a young male. Molo bhuti. Hello to a young lady. Molo sisi. Hello to an older male. Molo tata. Hello to an older female. Molo mama. Hello to a group. Molweni. So we have molo to one person, molweni to more than one. And molo and molweni can be used at any time of the day. Health. Impilo, asking one person how he or she is. Two alternatives. How is life? Kunjani? Kunjani? I am fine, thanks. And you? Ndiphilile enkosi. Kunjani kuwe? I am also well, thanks. Ndiphilile nam enkosi. And we highlight here it, referring to life, conditions. I, ndi, thanks, enkosi. Alternatively, how are you? Unjani? I am fine, thanks. And you? Ndiphilile enkosi. Unjani wena? I am also well, thanks. Ndiphilile nam enkosi. And we highlight here you, u, and you, as far as you are concerned, wena, and I also, or me also, nam. Comments about the weather following the statement about the state of health. It is just hot. Kushushu. Ha. It is just cold. Kuyabanda. Ha. It is just windy. Kunomoya. Ha. It is just the rain. Yimvula. Ha. And then health, impilo, asking a group, more than one person, how they are. How are you all? Ni njani? We are fine, thanks. Siphilile enkosi. Ninjani? Siphilile enkosi. And here we highlight you all, ni, the same ni we had in molweni, and we si. Name igama and surname ifani. What is your name? Ungubani igama lakho. What is the name belonging to you? My name is Michael. Ndingu Michael. Igama lam. I am Michael. My name. One can say Ngubani igama lakho and respond saying Ngu Michael igama lam. What is your surname? Ungubani ifani yakho. My surname is Smith. Ndingu Smith ifani yam. So again, Ngubani ifani yakho, Ngu Smith ifani yam. And take note that it is igama lakho and lam, and ifani yakho and yam. Your home, ikaya, and place of origin, imvelaphi. Where do you stay, or where do you live? Uhlala phi. Uhlala P. I live in Port Elizabeth. Ndihlala eBhayi. So here we have the verb for live, hlala, where P in is expressed by e, and of course Port Elizabeth, Bhayi, eBhayi. So the operative verb hlala for live. The next question, where do you come from? Uvelaphi. Uvelaphi. Vela, come from. Ndivela eMelika. I come from America. In some instances you will hear the Xhosa speaking person say Ndivela eMerika. Okay? Hlala, live or stay. Vela, come from. Bidding farewell. Undlela ntle. If the visitor is leaving, go well. Hamba kakuhle. Hamba kakuhle. If you are leaving, the other person will state sala, or you will state sala kakuhle. Kakuhle. Hamba kakuhle and sala kakuhle. Taking leave of more than one person, undlela ntle. If visitors are leaving, go well, all of you. Hambani kakuhle. The same ni we had in molweni. Hambani kakuhle. And if you are leaving a group, you will state and say to them, stay well. Salani kakuhle. Hamba, go. Sala, stay. Hambani kakuhle. Salani kakuhle. Enkosi.